Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Home Kitchen. Today we're taking a delicious trip down memory lane as I recreate a classic from the 1970s, an Irish homemade prawn salad just like my mum used to make. This one's packed with nostalgia and flavour, so let's dive right in. So first off, we're making the heart of the salad, the Murray Rose sauce. It's creamy, tangy and absolutely essential for that retro flavour. I'm adding 4 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise, nice and creamy, into that 1 to 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato ketchup. Next we're going to add the juice of half a lemon for a bit of zing, and then we're going to add a few dashes of Tabasco sauce for heat and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce for that deep savoury flavour. Adjust both according to your taste. Now we're going to give that a good mix up until it's smooth and beautiful. Pop it in the fridge while we prep the rest. Now let's get our veggies ready. This salad is as much about the fresh crunch as it is about the prawns. So I'm thinly slicing some cucumber and tomatoes. Now obviously the fresher the better. And then I'm going to chop some scallions or green onions depending on what you call them. Next then we're going to slice some lettuce, iceberg or ordinary lettuce. We're going to finely shred it. Now if you use a ceramic knife, this stops the lettuce from going brown too quickly. My mum swore by this trick. Alright, now it's time to plate up this 1970s Irish classic. So we'll start with a handful of that crisp lettuce as your base. Then I'm going to place some fresh Irish pressed soda bread on the plate. You can't have a salad without Irish soda bread. There's a link in the description if you want to bake your own. Now we're going to layer on the tomato slices and cucumber for that fresh juicy crunch. A few baby pickled onions and baby pickled beetroot will also give it that tangy classic taste. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of coleslaw. Again, check the descriptions for my homemade recipe. And a boiled egg for that nice hearty touch. Now we're going to add some cheese slices. Sharp cheddar works perfectly. And finally a handful of those cooked chilled prawns. We'll top those prawns with a delicious dollop of the Murray Rose sauce. The more the merrier. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika on for colour and a little bit of that tangy flavour. Add on some scallion flowers, a little bit of the scallion, then a wedge of lemon. We have a final prawn on top for decoration and a few more scallions. And there you have it, a 1970s Irish prawn salad just like my mum used to make. Perfect for a light lunch or retro dinner party. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the links in the description for more classic recipes. See you next time in Mark's Home Kitchen.